Picture this. You're standing at the edge of an ancient Roman Colosseum, watching gladiators prepare for battle. Or maybe you're walking through the rainforests of South America, studying the flora and fauna up close. All without leaving your classroom. Welcome to the world of virtual reality in education. In this part, we're taking a deep dive into virtual reality, VR, and how it's transforming education by bringing lessons to life in the most immersive way possible. No longer are students bound by textbooks and flat images. With VR, students can explore historical landmarks, travel to distant planets, or conduct complex science experiments, all in a safe, virtual environment. So how does this work? Virtual reality technology uses headsets and immersive visual simulations to place students directly into the environment they're studying. For example, instead of reading about ancient Egypt in a textbook, students can walk through the Great Pyramids, see the hieroglyphics up close, and interact with historical figures like pharaohs and architects. Imagine the kind of impact this could have on learning retention and engagement. Students aren't just learning about history, they're experiencing it. Science education also takes a huge leap forward with VR labs. Think about how limited we are today when it comes to conducting experiments. Many schools don't have the resources or equipment needed for advanced experiments. But with virtual reality, students can conduct realistic simulations of chemical reactions, physics experiments, and even biological dissections, all without the risks or costs associated with traditional labs. The result? Students can learn by doing in a virtual space, which dramatically improves their understanding of complex concepts. But VR's power isn't limited to individual learning. It also enhances collaborative experiences. Students from different countries can come together in the same virtual space, working on projects, solving problems, or simply exploring new ideas. This level of global collaboration is something we've never seen before, and it opens up new possibilities for cross-cultural education. What's more, VR technology isn't just for academic subjects. It can also play a vital role in emotional and social learning. Imagine students using VR to practice empathy-building exercises or work through real-world problems in a simulated environment where they can experiment with different outcomes. This kind of immersive learning not only teaches academic subjects, but also helps students develop critical life skills. So while VR is revolutionizing the way we learn, how do teachers fit into this equation? Are they still necessary, or will VR and AI take over completely? That's what we'll explore in Part 4. Virtual reality is bringing subjects to life in ways we've never seen before, but what about the teachers? How do they fit into this high-tech world? In Part 4, we'll discuss how the role of teachers is evolving and why human interaction will always be crucial in education, no matter how advanced technology becomes. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next episode. And let us know in the comments, what subject would you want to explore in virtual reality? Ancient history? Space travel? The possibilities are endless.